Hello, today I'm in Renault Clio. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. Firstly, press this button to activate cruise control. Now, accelerate to desired speed and press set button to start cruise control. Now you can increase the speed by pressing RS plus, decrease by pressing set minus button, pause by pressing 0 button, and now when you are in pause, to go back to previous speed, press RS plus, or to set new speed for cruise control, press set minus. To disable cruise control, press this button again. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.